Bratz boy doll. I have never had or opened a Bratz doll before. So this is like one of my first Bratz dolls.
And what's really cool is they've been around for what, 20 years? And they just recently started getting popular again. So this is really cool. And I know they had the girl dolls, but we've seen this one and we're like, you know what? We gotta do it. I've never seen a Bratz boy doll.
Yep, and today we're unboxing Cameron.
All right, Cameron, you ready to get out of there?
For real. I don't know how to open this packaging. I'm not quite sure. I think like this one. What is it like? Oh my god, I'm trying to open it and
What does that say?
think.
Cameron.
It says,
What's up? My name is Cameron. The Bratz call me the Blaze because I'm hot.
Oh my god.
And you can create over 20 different cutting-edge fashion styles.
Yo. I am
Cool.
really excited for this, especially because it's going to be my first ever Bratz doll. But I'm struggling already to get it open. How do you open this thing? There's a lot of clear tape, so we just went ahead and took those out.
Almost there.
Yep. I did it! Finally!
Oh, I like the design that says Bratz Boys.
That is so cool.
So nice. Wow.
I love it.
The boys with the passion for fashion and the Bratz.
Woo! This is so fun already. I mean, opening it wasn't that fun because I couldn't figure it out.
You get a free poster.
Ooh. Huh? I think it's...
We'll figure it out.
I don't know. We're going to figure that out. Okay, how do I cut the thing with Ducklay's pants?
Oh my god. They got this really packed up.
Ooh! Oh my goodness. Bye-bye.
Oh, he's got ripped jeans.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. So here are his... Oh my god, there's more.
Huh? They got you working hard this time.
Yeah, that's not a surprise. So we got these jeans, and they're like the wide ones.
Which I don't really like.
I don't
personally.
Same.
But I guess that's how the Bratz dolls are.
Or I guess that's how the fashion was. I don't know. Yeah. He comes with sunglasses.
Ooh, look at his eyes. They're so pretty.
His lips are juicy.
Looks like he's wearing MAC lipstick.
Yeah. Or like, so I said 3 shirts and I was confused because I was like, I don't see 3 shirts. But now I
one. Where's the second one?
2 and 3.
Where's the third one?
1, 2, and 3.
Oh, okay.
There we go. I'm gonna. That's like a vest thing. He has a plain white shirt. Get his neck.
And this doll, or this toy, looks like it's for kids 3 years and older because of the little parts. But I do know if you do end up getting this for your little one, you might want to help them and open it. There's a lot of little pieces that need to be cut.
I don't really recommend it for a 3-year-old because what if they put the pieces in their mouth?
Well, it's for 3 year and up.
Well, yeah, but still, it's saying a 3-year-old can play with it. I would not suggest that. But once again, that is just me. Woo! We got him out. His feet are all crooked.
Oh, so let's see him.
He has real hair.
Can you take off the hat?
I don't want to. And there's zip ties, so we would have to cut that to take his hat off. So I'm not gonna take it off.
He's got a cool chain.
Yeah, it's also like they put like a rubber band on there.
Like a chain from.
Like. Huh?
I don't know.
A chain from like. I don't know where that chain would be from. Looks like a lock.
Yeah.
I don't know. And then he has this like bracelet. You can see that. I don't know what that's supposed to be. But it's kind of cool. Also, what is it?
Well, there is a wrestler that used to wear
John Cena?
Yes.
Oh my god, I got
that kind of reminds me of him.
Oh, I don't know what this string is. Is that a fashion statement?
Yes, that's just a chain.
This is cool. I actually like the Bratz dolls. He got some big feet. And big shoes. He can, oh my god. We got a doll that can stand on its own.
Finally.
Finally.
That's what we've been looking for.
We always have trouble with that.
He's like, you guys gotta dress me up. I want to show off for the girls.
Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah.
He looks really good right now.
He's like, help me. He's like, y'all are slow.
So it looks like he's got another pair of shoes. We got a
Oh, that's his ankles. What? And
what?
That's weird. He has a back pocket. He has like a bag.
Man purse or a man
Bag. And then a big pocket. It has a person on it. Kind of a weird bag. Bratz dolls? This is my first one, and I think it's very cool. His fact that his ankles are on the shoes.
And they look super shiny.
Yeah, they are very shiny. I love that. We have a comb as well.
Yeah.
There we go.
He's really gonna make a fashion statement with that comb.
Oh my gosh.
So let's see where this poster is. I'm really wanting to find that out.
We have one more thing. Another chain? I think. Where is that poster?
You gotta find it, girl.
I found it.
Let's open it up. I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh. Back up.
So I really like the poster. What do you think? Oh, he even fell down. He's like, I'm so excited.
Okay, I think this is gonna be a cool poster. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my goodness! This is super cool. Look at this poster. We have Cameron on it with his hat. He's looking super swag and bougie. And this is his name. A little sign thing, and it says Bratz Boys in fiery letters.
Do you think that LOL and Rainbow High dolls should have posters?
Yes. Yes, yes. But also no, because my whole room will be covered in LOL and Rainbow High.
Oh gosh, we don't want that.
But yes, I do want that. So, this is awesome. This is definitely probably gonna be like a 10 out of 10 because I've never had a Bratz doll before. And this is like so cool. And the poster just makes it like a million times better. Like, we love that. We literally love that. So here's Bougie Cameron. And then we're gonna give him his bag because he's bougie like that. Okay. Cameron.
Say bye.
Do you want your bag or not?
Say bye, Cameron.
Bye, it's Melmo Films.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.